Hey, I'm Richard Young. I'm the owner of Rely on IT. We're a managed IT service provider here in the Bay Area. When I talk to clients, I hear three things. And the three things I hear are that they want cost effective, effortless, and secure IT solutions in their business. Cost effective, effortless, and secure. So, cost effective means that they want IT that doesn't break all the budgets, right? It's the appropriate amount of spend for the size organization or the type of business that needs to protect their data. It's effortless, meaning that it doesn't take an overabundant amount of training to train your staff on how to use the IT and to use it effectively to meet the business objectives of your organization. And finally, secure, meaning that it's protecting your one of your most important assets in your business, and that's your data, whether that's customer data, vendor data, financial data, or even intellectual property data. You need to protect that. So thinking about cost-effective, secure, and effortless IT, you'll see there's kind of this little sweet spot in the middle. And when we've balanced those three things, when we've balanced cost-effective, secure, and effortless IT, well, then we've delivered something in the middle, what we call the sweet spot, and that is resilient IT. Resilient IT is that balance of these three pieces of our value model, cost effective, secure, and effortless, that deliver an IT solution for your business that's not a bunch of point products thrown at you. It's something that makes sense for your business and rolls well with your business. So you might ask, well, how do I get cost effective, effortless, and secure IT that's resilient? Well, let me show you. So it takes planning, competence, and process. Planning, meaning you need to have project plans, plans in place on how to accomplish things in your business when it comes to the IT. You need to have your IT provider needs to have competence, not just the technical competence, but the competence around the business on how to deliver the solution to the client. And finally, processes, like this is basically standard operating procedure, but it's more than that. It's also some processes that evolve so that you know processes that are no longer applicable get updated to applicable processes, especially for your organization, and they're followed. So, what does it look like when you have a lack of planning, for example, in your IT solutions service that they're providing to you? And what is that? How does that show up in your business? Well, you might have projects that are delivered late or over budget. You might have security issues that you've seen off and on in your business and wonder why. You might have reactive versus proactive IT, where you're constantly chasing problems of IT problems, or you're seeing constant IT problems being chased after. And finally, disjointed solutions, where you might have systems or disjointed or disparate systems in your organization that just don't talk to each other, and there might be rework as a result from one system to another. What does it look like when there's a lack of confidence in your IT provider? Well, you might have ticket resolutions that go on and on. You might have unresolved problems that you don't know why they just never solved. Or finally, there may be a lack of experience in what the IT provider brings to the table. And that lack of experience may not be just the technical experience that they provide or bring to the table, but let's just face it, a lack of, how to run an organization efficiently and deliver the service to clients. And last but not least, when there's a lack of process by your IT provider, it probably looks like this. You probably are seeing that there's basically no standard procedures being followed. And what that looks like is maybe tickets are getting lost, falling through the cracks and never getting resolved. Or you just see different results when you're going through certain problems getting solved that have different results each time. And different problems getting different results every single time. So it's just a lack of process being followed. So, if you are seeing less than what you think is needed in terms of planning, competence, and process, you're not getting cost effective, secure, and effortless IT, let's have a chat. I have a link in this message. Please click on it and let's book a time to talk. And I look forward to talking to you. Thank you.